Don't ask what country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. A very warm, full good morning to all of you. First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all. As we know us, today is the 79th Independence Day of our country. In this occasion, this is Subhi Singh Parihar from 10th standard going to deliver a speech on modern problem of our country. Yes, our country got independence on 1947, but truly we got our independence? Are we independence for poverty? Are we independence for unemployment? Are we independence for malnutrition? What do you think? In present time, India become our fifth largest economy of the world as per record of 2025. But why the youth of our country is suffering from unemployment? Is there are no any high profile job based on youth of eligibility available in our country? Have such as a large economy of why the per capita income of most of the people of our country is less than 35.12%, why the people of our India leaving their own country and going to another country to do job, why the 35.5% children are suffering from malnutrition, they do not have enough food to fulfill their hunger and their children. Who will ask this question? Who will give answer of this question? Who will ask this question for government? Is this our fault or government fault? How will give freedom of these problems? If our country is that much rich, so why the peoples of our country is suffering from these problems? Is there any solution? Yes, there are many solutions. Instead the blaming of our government, we can own self solve these problems. Is the people of our country awake, the unite, they can solve any type of problem. But the youth of our country is wasting precious time or to watching reels, learning artificial intelligence, English speaking, video editing, anymore. If the peoples of our country send the school to their children, instead the neighborhood, they can improve their future. And believe me, when the youth of our country will improve, then you see the improve whole country. Once Gandhiji has said, if you see the developed of country, then see the youth of country. It is our responsibility to do hard work, learn skill, improve the time management, and we can see the youth of our country. At last, I would like to say, मन के जीते जीत है, मन के हारे हार, हार गए जो बिना लड़े, उन पर है धिक्कार जो न देखे सपना, सपने का अधिकार असल अधिकार है अपना। मुश्किल कुछ नहीं इस दुनिया में, तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर, ख्वाब बदलेंगे हकीकत में, तू जरा कोशिश तो कर। आंधियां सदा चलती नहीं, मुश्किलें सदा रहती नहीं, मिलेगी मंजिल तुझे तेरी, तू जरा कोशिश तो कर, तू जरा कोशिश तो कर। धन्यवाद।